Assalamu alaikum dear students, welcome to NIUS Homeschool. I am Farhana Yasmin, assistant teacher of morning shift. Now I am going to take home science class for class 7. Our today's topic is chapter 1, lesson 5. This is lecture number 3 and homework number 3 will be given today. Okay dear students, let's start lesson 5 today. Lesson 5 is techniques of simplifying a work. So we have already learned that both time and energy are limited resources. Many works can be accomplished if we use time and energy in a proper way. Simplification of work means to spend less time and energy for a certain work and to do maximum work spending a certain amount of time and energy. So, techniques of simplifying a work should be applied to save time and energy. A work becomes easier and a good utilization of time and energy will be ensured if we can adopt various techniques of simplifying the work. Now we will look at various techniques of simplifying the work. So number 1 is change of postures and motion. We can do maximum work spending less energy if we maintain the proper position and posture of our body. The work can be done easily if you have the conception about the maximum and normal range of doing any work. So we have to be aware of the maximum and normal range of doing any work. If the work is done in a comfortable range, then we can save time and energy. Keeping this in mind, the essential equipment should be kept ready within the reach of our hands. We should move our hands from up to down while cutting anything and it will make the task easier. So movement and posture. And when we are working, we should also keep the essential equipment nearby. And we will keep track of the motion, like when we are cutting something, we have to move our hands from up to down, which makes the task easier. Let's look at the next page. Look at the figures, okay? Comfortable range of a work and maximum range of a work. Comfortable range, nearby, okay? And the maximum range is up to the point where your hands can reach. Let's look at the next figure. Maximum range of a work and normal range of a work while standing. You can see the normal range is near the hands and the maximum range is up to the point where your hands can reach. Less energy is used in working within a normal range. So if you are working within a normal range, you can spend less energy and the work also takes less time. Number 2, change of workplace and equipment. Changing of arrangement and equipment of a workplace simplifies the task. There is a certain place to do a work. Time and energy can be saved if the work is done in its right place. For example, time and energy will be spent less if a dining room is placed beside the kitchen or the dining space is arranged in one side of a kitchen. All equipment will be reachable if these are arranged or kept in a proper place. A sitting place, chair and table kept in proper height create a comfortable work environment. Electric iron, filter, pressure cooker, etc. help in saving time as well as energy. So we can see that workplace and equipment also helps us save time and energy. Let's look at the next figures. Working in right height is comfortable. Either it's sitting or standing. Okay. Let's look at point number 3. Change of the different stages of a production. A work can be done easily by bringing a change in different phases or stages of production. For example, at the time of cleaning a house, we should not wash and clean each and every room separately. Rather, there should be a continuation of the process in sweeping, dusting and mopping up floor, etc. for every room one after another. It will help to save time and energy. Similarly, while cooking rice, an intelligent homemaker can also do some other tasks at the same time. Okay? So we can do many things simultaneously to save time. In this way, we can bring change in different stages of our work and save time. Number 4, change of products. We can make a task simple by making a change in some products. For instance, generally we chop the cucumber into fine pieces for salad. But if we chop them into small pieces, it will save time and energy. We can buy sliced fish, meat and bread from shops. Number 5, change of materials or ingredients. Nowadays, alternative materials are used to make household chores simple. For example, disposable plate, glass, cup, etc. are used in many programs of an urban place. In rural areas, leaves of banana plant are used as disposable plates. These can be thrown away after using them for once. Thus, it saves time and energy as we do not need to wash and clean them. Thus, we can make the daily household chores simple by following some techniques. It is possible to do much work within a shorter time using less energy if we choose a good way of doing any work. Okay, dear students, this was lesson 5. Your homework will be making 5 short questions from this chapter. You can make very short questions, answers of which you can finish within 1 line. Okay. So dear students, please do the homework properly and submit it on Saturday in due time. Stay safe. Allah Hafiz.